People may choose to walk away from you if you concentrate on finding faults in them instead of concentrating in what binds you. If what binds you is friendship, you better stick to the friendship instead of finding the faults. If what binds you is a love relationship, better stick to the relationship. Try to make that person feel loved, feel happy, instead of making the person to keep being anxious. Digging for faults can lead to faults, because somebody may try to hide for you the true character that the person would have shown you, and you would have worked it out with that person to come into a conclusion and solve something. That would be a permanent change for that person. But since you're always blaming the person and trying to find the faults in the person, he or she will try to hide the mistakes from you. In the end, the day the person does it, it may be too late.